In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar for scheduling. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an appointment schedule that lets other people easily book time with you without endless back and forth messages. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can see your calendar. It's easiest to do this on a desktop or laptop because all the options you need are visible right away. Once your calendar is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your calendar. Click Create, and a small menu will appear with different options for events. From that menu, click on Appointment Schedule. This is different from a regular event. An appointment schedule lets you set up a block of available times so other people can book a slot that works for them. It's especially handy for meetings, office hours, consultations, or any situation where multiple people might need to choose a time with you. Now you'll see the setup screen for your appointment schedule. Start by adding a clear title. This is what people will see on your booking page, so make it descriptive like consultation call or weekly check-in. Next, choose the duration of each appointment. Common options might be 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but you can adjust this to whatever fits your needs. Below that, you'll set your general availability. This is where you choose the days of the week and time ranges when you're open for bookings. For example, you might allow appointments only on weekdays from 9 to 5. Take a moment to think about when you realistically want to meet people so you don't overbook yourself. You'll also see an option for the schedule window. This lets you define the overall date range for this schedule. You can make it ongoing or limit it to specific start and end dates, which is useful if you're offering a temporary series of sessions or seasonal hours. Next, you can adjust your booked appointment settings. Here, you'll control things like how far in advance someone must book, whether you want a buffer time before or after each appointment, and how many appointments you'll allow per day. These settings help protect your time, preventing back-to-back meetings with no breaks, and avoiding last-minute bookings that might catch you off guard. When you're happy with those options, select which calendar these appointments should appear on. If you manage multiple calendars, choose the one that makes the most sense, such as your work or personal calendar. After you've selected it, click Next to move on. On the next page, you'll customize the booking experience. You can add a booking page photo and a name. The photo can be a professional headshot or a simple image that represents you or your business. The name should match the purpose of the schedule, so visitors immediately know what they're booking. You'll also choose the location and conferencing details, such as whether this is an in-person meeting, a phone call, or a video call using a conferencing tool like Google Meet. You'll then have space to add a description. Use this to explain what the appointment is for, what people should prepare, or any expectations you have. You can also edit the booking form, which is the information people fill out when they choose a time. Here you can request details like their name, email, or anything specific you need before the meeting, such as a topic or questions they want to discuss. Once everything looks good and you've reviewed your settings, click Save. Google Calendar will create your appointment schedule and give you a link to your booking page. You can share that link with others so they can choose a time that works for them, and appointments will automatically appear on your calendar.